Good day, YouTube. Megan here. I will be sharing with you my series of Create This Book by Moriah Elizabeth. I had started it April 1st, 2020. I purchased it online from Amazon. I don't normally do this, but I purchased it online from Amazon. It cost me $30 Canadian, around there. And yeah, I hope you like it. So stay tuned for future videos. And here is a flip through of what I have finished so far. This is the cover. I was totally excited about this. I was looking forward to a new project, and this is what the cover turned out like. Art, colorful, creativity, fun, imagine. These are my social medias, Snapchat and TikTok. I also have a YouTube channel, obviously. And yeah, if you want to contact me there, I will have the links below. Maybe not so much for Snapchat, but I will for TikTok. There's some art videos on there. So this is the cover, and I was so excited, so I had to input that in there. And so for the cover, I used highlighter, Sharpie, and different color markers. So my favorite colors are purple and pink. And my mom's favorite color is green, so I wanted to incorporate that as well. And then this is the back. So it just tells you this book is an outlet for creativity. It is a way to let loose and explore different methods of creating. Each page includes a different prompt to guide your creative experience. Create This Book will have you writing, doodling, stamping, cutting, imagining, collecting, journaling, and more. So this is the back there. I also used highlighters and permanent markers. So let's open it up. I'm not completely done this. I'm going to do a couple more stickers there. So this is a sticker I made, started April 1st, 2020. I decorated this with pencil crayon and highlighter. Put my name there. I put my butterfly sticker, which you will see later on in the video what that is about. I haven't done anything with these yet, these pages. So to begin, create this book, fill in the stars as you complete each task. Customize the front cover, which I showed you. Add stickers, tape, drawings, writing, etc. Second thing there, add color and or text to the spine and edges of the book. So I wasn't too happy about this. That's why I did a bright pink. The spine turned out really nice, but the edges did not. So I will show you this. So here's the spine. I used highlighter there. Or not highlighter, sorry, permanent marker, purple and pink. And then for the edges, I used 5 different markers for the edges. And I'm telling you, like, I had it so tight when I was incorporating the markers. So I used 5 different markers for this, and it bled through. Whoops, sorry. So it bled through the top. I was not happy about this. I was so disappointed, and then my excitement went out the window. But anyways, moving on. So I just did not do the edges because of that reason. So I don't know, like, if it was my markers, but all 5 of them bled through. Like, even these ones just a little bit, which didn't really matter. But my first one was a permanent marker, and it bled through really bad. So it is on mostly like every single page. So was not happy about that. So that is why there is a sad face there. So just if you want to use markers for the edges, just be careful. like, I've watched other videos and she does use markers, Moriah Elizabeth, but I didn't see her, like, I didn't see any bleed through for her pages. So I don't know if they're just, it's my markers or what. But anyways, moving on. So I haven't decorated this page yet. I will probably do that in the future. So create a fancy name. Write your name on this page in a fancy way. Ideas: use large text. Write with your best pen. Include your favorite color. So this paper, obviously, you can see is really thin. I don't really care for this paper, but what's the word I'm looking for? I compromised. Let's put it that way. So this is the website my sister gave me. I thought it was a really good idea. So you go to the site, and it's got all sorts of fonts. The one I chose, because I am happy, in the curly section. And there's my butterfly sticker. And I put pink and purple as my favorite colors. And this is how it turned out. I just looked off of the image and drew out my name. Next page. Create a rule. Make a rule for yourself and follow it on each page of this book. Unless it conflicts with the instructions, write your rule in the box provided. Examples: draw a symbol on every page, date the bottom of each page, add a sticker to each page, which I did. I got the idea of stickers. So this is my rule for each page. I love butterflies, so I'm going to be putting my butterfly sticker on each page, which I have here. So there's all sorts of butterflies. I love them. They're absolutely gorgeous. I got this sticker pack from my best friend in Ontario, and I'm going to be using them for my book. So I placed it there, and I love pink and purple, so I incorporated my colors, and I drew out a sticker of a butterfly going from page. Choose one color. Use only that color to decorate this page. There's my butterfly sticker. I did use black for the eyes, which I thought were so cute. I love these clouds. They're adorable. And this is dedicated to one of my sisters. Her favorite color is blue, so I wanted to do blue. And here's my other butterfly sticker. And I did like a silhouette here and used scenery for water and the sky and birds in the background, and as well blue for this page. I used pencil crayons, and then I used marker there. I also cut out a page because I used pencil crayons. It didn't bleed through, but I wanted to do its own page, so I cut it out and glued it in. And I used craft glue for that. Next page, create the following things you like. For my list, there's some things on here that I don't have, like popcorn. I love popcorn. What else was there? I love Yoshi character. He's like one of my favorite favorite game characters is Yoshi. I love horses. Yeah, there's a few things on here that I didn't put. So, anywho, I love music, food, writing, games, YouTube, markers, pencil crayons, paint, crafts, card games, my bunny, my cats, black and white animals, snow, planets, books, Google, sun, pictures. I love butterflies, candy. My favorite color is purple. My favorite animal is tigers. My favorite season is summer. My favorite Disney movie is Beauty and the Beast. My favorite phone game is Township. My favorite food is pizza and nachos. I love reading, watching movies, drawing, coloring, spending time with my family. And then here, if you didn't notice, my world is my son. So I just added a few pictures here. And yeah, my 2-year-old little boy, Wyatt, growing like a weed. So here, these two were made as stickers. And I placed them in, which is working out really well, I think. And then I just used printer paper and cut it out and glued it in. So I got a little flippy thing here, things you dislike. I put a little face there, sticking the tongue out. My number one thing that I really don't like is hornets. Bad dreams, doing grocery shopping sometimes. I dislike grocery shopping. Washing dishes, being lonely. When my boy cries, I really don't like when he cries. It's, oh, yeah. Tight clothes when you have like cleavage clothes. I find it uncomfortable, so I don't wear those kind of clothes. Boggle. I dislike Miley Cyrus's voice. Burnt smells, garbage smells. I really, really don't like peppers. Anything to do with peppers, I really don't like. And I really don't like when restaurants get your orders wrong, especially through drive-thru. They really should be on that. They shouldn't get your order wrong when you go through drive-thru. But there are times they make mistakes, you know, we're human. So, yeah. And I really dislike when there's stuff in your food that you least expect. Oh, that is disgusting. So yeah, moving on. There's one of my butterflies and my butterfly there for my rule. Next page, create a music-inspired page. Turn on some music, let the music inspire your decorations. So I have my butterfly sticker there. The first song that I had listened to was Selena Gomez, The Heart Wants What It Wants. So this is kind of incorporating what is there. So these two here is from that song that I just listened to, and I drew out some things. And then the second song was Blake Shelton's Sangria, which hence there's a couple things there. And then the third song is Billie Eilish, Everything I Wanted. So those were just random pics on my playlist on Google, or I mean on YouTube, and I just let them play and I drew out my stuff there. And then this one, I had taken printer paper and I folded it in half, so like a book, and then I glued it into this book. So this is this big sticker I drew out, and it incorporated my sticker, my butterfly sticker there. And this, the decorations inside has meaning to the songs that are inside this book. So this, all these hearts is all of my family. So just my family, not my hubby's side of family. So that is a lot of hearts. Our family was 5, and now it is 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, so there's my music note. And then inside, I have my favorite songs. I'm obsessed with this song. I wrote down the lyrics, the singer, and the title. So Fawn Wood, Mommy's Little Guy. I'm obsessed with this song. It is such a beautiful song. My sister introduced it to me, and I just cannot get enough of this song. So if you would like to listen to it, I'll put a link below. And then as well as this song, Fawnwood, Remember Me. Beautiful song. I love it. So 2 of my favorite songs here. And I incorporated my butterfly stickers. And that will be all I share with you today. And stay tuned for my next video. I will be sharing with you another flip through for Create This Book. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and stay tuned for other videos coming. And I greatly appreciate your comments, any advice, critiques, ideas. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.